Hi, 8th graders. It's Miss Dodd. Today we're going to interpret a bunch of maps of Louisiana. Okay, this is a physical map, and it shows us it's half physical, half political, because it shows us a bunch of cities in Louisiana, but then it shows us a bunch of natural features, physical features, such as the Washita River, the Atchafalaya River, all of these different bays, the Atchafalaya Bay, the Mississippi River. And then it shows us where the area of Louisiana is low, if we look down at the key, where it gets hilly, and then where it has a really high part, mountains. Take a moment and find the highest point of Louisiana using this legend. That's right, it's Driscoll Mountain. As we watch this video, I want you to pay attention to the maps and see if you can notice differences between the north part of the state and the southern part of the state. And there will be a question at the end asking you to free response, a major differences that you saw. This is a resource map. As you can see, the blue, if we go up to our legend, the blue is a wetland. So all of this is wetland, even in New Orleans. Then the dark green is forest, and it says cropland is the light green. It shows us here cattle, cotton, fishing, fruits, manufacturing. So these are all the different resources that Louisiana produces. Who do you think might use a map like this? Here's our Louisiana election map in 2004. The key got cut off, but what you need to know about this is the red represents Republican and the blue represents, that's right, Democrat. So here are the parishes that vote Democrat in that election, and the rest is Republican. Who might use a map like this? What kind of map is this called? That's right, it's a population density map. What's the densest part of the state? It's New Orleans. As you can see, there's greater than 5,000 people living there per square mile in New Orleans. What about this? What is this area right here? It's Baton Rouge. We have Lafayette. And all the way up here, what city is that? Shreveport, good. This is our annual precipitation map. Which part of the state rains the most? The north or the south? That's right, the south. It's dark red and it's greater than 69 inches a year. The north part, about 64, 63. It doesn't rain as much up in the north. You can also convert a map and its legend into a chart depending on what kind of information you want to show. In this map, we've changed into the chart region, so the South, Central, and then the North. So 65 to 63 inches is the North. The Central is these green and yellow colors, so 65 to 67 inches. And then the South is the rest of that. What do you notice about this one between the North and the South? Yep. The North, particularly the Northeast, it has a greater elevation than the South, which we saw in our resource map was all wetlands down here, the marsh area. The reason why this part in the hill region is so low is because this is the Red River Basin, so it's really flat around the river, and then the rest is pretty mountainous. Converting this map into a chart, this person took the 4 different regions and then listed the elevation. So Southwest is dark green, and according to our legend, that's 0 to 150 feet. The same with the Southeast. The same with the Northeast. And then the Northwest has a range of about 150 feet, 300 feet, all the way up to 1,800 feet right here. This map shows what? That's right, it shows all of the parishes in Mississippi. Who might use a map like this? Here we have another resource map. Where, if this is the wood symbol of lumber, where is the most lumber produced? In the South or in the North? That's right, in the North. Then finally a road map, which is an example of human geography. These are all the major roads going through Louisiana. 10 takes New Orleans to Baton Rouge. 49, and then 20 between Shreveport and Monroe. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.